racing. Jazz is started. We have Okie Hook. Break quickly at a start. Danone inside is Pedro Pendugo. Inquiry in the middle portion. Atoy Poras, Madam Leonora Gold Bracelet. Maaliwalas Las Cienega comes next, Lord Gold. While JST is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Pedro Pendugo by our ahead. Then on the outside, second is Okie Hook. 4 lengths further back in third comes Gold Bracelet. Atoy for us is down on the inside fourth. Inquiry, Madam Leonora La Cienega comes next. Lord Gold Maaliwalas, while JST is still racing in less half mile distance. They traveled. 2 runners fighting out for the lead. Pedro Penduco by our ahead, and in second on the outside is Okie Hook. Then here comes Gold Bracelet. Now trying to get closer in third. Atoy for us comes next. Inquiry, Madam Leonora Maaliwalas likewise now arriving at the scene. La Cienega, Lord Gold, while JST is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Gold Bracelet. Then here comes Maaliwalas moving up now at the outside. Pedro Penduco in the middle. We have Gold Bracelet. Maaliwalas moving up now at the outside. Gold Bracelet followed by Maaliwalas on the outside. It's now Maaliwalas takes command, double Gold Bracelet, and finally it's Maaliwalas, Gold Bracelet, Inquiry, Okie Hook, and Pedro Penduco.
Ang lakas ng dating, no? Maaliwalas.